Welcome to this in-depth look at Spamihilator, a powerful tool for filtering unwanted email spam from your inbox. Whether you're tired of sorting through endless junk mail or just want a more efficient email experience, Spamihilator may be a great choice. Let's dive into its key features, benefits, and limitations. Spamihilator is designed to act as a spam filter between your email client and your mail server. It works with popular email clients like Outlook, Thunderbird, and more. By intercepting emails before they reach your inbox, Spamihilator analyzes each message and filters out spam based on customizable criteria. Its filtering system uses algorithms and learning filters to recognize patterns in spam and reduce the amount that reaches you over time. You can also adjust the filter settings to be as strict or lenient as you need, giving you control over what reaches your inbox. One of the biggest advantages of Spamihilator is its ability to learn over time. The software improves as you mark messages as spam or legitimate, building a customized filter that's more accurate the longer you use it. Plus, it has a unique feature called Spam Word Filter that allows you to add specific keywords to be filtered out automatically. However, Spamihilator does come with some limitations. It's only available for Windows, so users with macOS or Linux are out of luck. Additionally, Spamihilator doesn't natively filter web-based email services like Gmail or Yahoo Mail. You'll need a compatible email client to use Spamihilator effectively. Another potential downside is its outdated user interface, which can feel a bit clunky and less intuitive for newer users. The initial setup can be a bit complicated, as you need to configure the software to interact with your email client properly. But once it's set up, it runs smoothly in the background with minimal intervention. The best part? It's entirely free. Spamihilator is open source, which means there are no subscription fees or hidden charges. It's a fantastic solution if you're looking for cost-effective email management without paying for premium services. For those interested in enhanced email management, Clean Email is a modern alternative that offers robust filtering and organization features. If you're seeking an all-in-one tool for inbox management, take a look at Clean Email. It's also linked in the description. Spamihilator's classic approach to spam filtering sounds like a fit for your needs. Try it out, and don't forget to follow the link in the description for a smooth installation guide. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides, and hit the like button if you found this overview useful.